What are the five best business ideas for beginners to start making money online and earn 15K a month without having any experience? Well, in this video, I'll be sharing with you the five best ways that you can make money online by starting your own online business and earn up to 15K a month with the help of AI. It's beginner friendly and you don't need any experience. So here's how you can get started right away making money online without needing any experience. So you've just got to jump in and start now. And you could join the 1% living amazing lives while those who miss out might end up just being stuck in their 9 to 5 job, working hard and struggling to get by. So then, if you're aiming for more in life, like making money online for financial freedom, then this video is for you. I'll give you step-by-step instructions how to kickstart your first successful business and make money. Now, before we get into the five best business ideas, let me tell you that I'll be ranking each one from best to worst to help figure out which suits you best. What's going on, guys? I'm Lorna Recommend. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, a big hello and thanks for stopping by. My goal is to help everyday regular folks like you and me to make money online using simple strategies, tools, so you can earn extra passive income online, stop struggling to make ends meet, and ultimately make money online. But before we dive into today's video, please be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family to help our channel grow. And don't forget to leave me a comment below letting me know how you're doing or what you think of these methods. First, let's talk about becoming a content creator. This is one of the easiest ways to earn thousands each month, and literally anyone can do this from home. A content creator is someone who posts stuff on social media and earns a living from it. You've probably heard of Mr. Beast or Graham Stephan. They're both top content creators. So, as a top content creator, you can earn well over 50K a month, but it takes time to get there. All you need to do is choose a topic you're into and start making short videos on TikTok, Instagram, or Pinterest. You can move to longer form on YouTube videos once you've got some experience. If you're not sure what to create, why not check out what other creators in your field are doing? Being a content creator is great because you can make money by promoting products and services to your audience, getting paid by sponsors, and earning from your YouTube for longer videos. So, let's rank this business. I'd say being a content creator comes first because it's super easy for beginners and anyone can do it without needing any money upfront to start. Plus, it's rewarding to share your passion with the world. However, staying anonymous might be tricky, and showing your face could give you an edge, building a bigger audience. So, overall, being a content creator is one of the best businesses to start. Another business idea you can try selling is Amazon products. Now, I know there are folks out there making millions doing this, but if you're just starting out, I wouldn't recommend diving into selling physical stuff. Instead, you can sell digital products, which is way easier. And the best part is you can start right away with little to no money. Here's how it works. You create what's called a low content book, like a journal or notebook, using a software called BookBolt. Then you upload that book to Amazon using a platform called Amazon KDP. And when a customer buys your book on Amazon, Amazon handles everything for you. They print the book, they ship it directly to your customer. So all you have to do is design your book and wait for sales to roll in. The cool thing is you can sell as many books as you want, and the more you sell, the more money you make. Now, let's rank this business idea. I'd put it at fourth place. Why? Well, it's pretty straightforward to sell books on Amazon, but it's super competitive. It's tough for beginners to stand out among all the other sellers. You really need to have a top-notch product to make sales because you're competing with a ton of other sellers. So I'd say this is a challenging for a lot of beginners unless you've got experience selling products on Amazon before. However, it's well worth considering. Otherwise, you might want to explore other options. Another business idea you might want to consider is branded Shopify drop shipping. People are raking in millions with this business model. If you're not familiar with Shopify, drop shipping is when you create your own website using Shopify and add products from suppliers like AutoDS. When a customer buys something from your site, the supplier ships it directly to them. You don't need to keep any inventory or worry about shipping. Your job is simply to promote the products on your social media to get sales. You can build a long term brand with this and earn a steady income. It's best for you to focus on one really good product and scale it up rather than switching products often. You need to find something you genuinely like and believe in, and you can find tons of great products on autods.com. Once you've got your product and store set up, start marketing and you can start creating viral content on social media such as TikTok videos, Instagram reels, or Pinterest pins. Just find a product that's perfect for you and for making viral videos like this razor on TikTok. I'd rank drop shipping as third on the list. It's a great business for beginners, but there are some drawbacks. It can be tough to start without investing a few $100s upfront. Also, many drop shipping businesses rely on trendy products which can fizzle out after a few months. It's only worth it if you have a product you believe in for the long haul. If you're just in it for quick cash with different products every few months, there may be better options out there. Focus on building a business that can sustain itself and bring you consistent income in the long run. Now, let's talk about another business idea, which is Pinterest affiliate marketing. This is actually one of the best businesses for beginners. If you're not familiar, affiliate marketing is when you promote a brand's products or services using a special link, and if someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. To get started with affiliate marketing, first you need to choose a niche. It could be anything from finance to fitness, home decor, lifestyle, you name it. Once you've picked your niche, you'll need to find affiliate links to promote. You can find plenty of high paying affiliate programs on websites like impact.com and ClickBank. Once you've got your affiliate links, it's time to start promoting them on Pinterest. There are two main ways to do this. First, you can simply post on Pinterest, and second, you run ads. If you're just starting out, it's probably best to stick to posting content. A good strategy is to post 3 to 5 pictures or videos every day. The best part about Pinterest is that you don't show your face if you don't want to. And creating images are easy. You can use a free tool called Canva. Now, let's rank this business idea. I'd put affiliate marketing in first place, tied with content creator. Why? Because it's super easy for beginners to start and you don't need any money up front. Plus, it's scalable, meaning you can grow it over time to earn a consistent income. Another perk is that you don't have to show your face if you don't want to. Many content creators are also affiliate marketers because they can promote affiliate links to their audience. So these businesses complement each other really well. Now, let's talk about the last business idea, which is buying rental properties. Here's how it works. Tenants pay you rent and you use that money to cover expenses and you have some money left over as profit. However, starting this business can be tough if you don't have a lot of money saved up. If you have an extra room in your property, then why not consider renting this out? This could be ideal for beginners without much cash to start out, or perhaps consider it for the future. You're keen on starting but short on cash. Here's a strategy you can follow. Real estate allows for leverage, meaning you can buy property without using all your own money. For instance, let's say you want to buy a 300,000 house. You can ask the bank for a loan and they may require you to pay a percentage with the rest covered by the loan. You repay the bank monthly, but if you rent out the property for more than your mortgage, you'll certainly profit. Over time, the property's value should increase, allowing you to leverage that growth to buy more properties. Let's rank this business. I'd put buying rental properties at fifth place, not because it's a bad business, but because it's tough for beginners due to the need for substantial upfront investment. You typically need to have some form of money saved up first. My suggestion, starting with a different business first, like affiliate marketing or content creation, which can generate cash more quickly. Then you can use those earnings to invest in real estate down the line. So, those are the top five businesses, in my opinion. It's super important for you to figure out which one suits you best and dive in. I've included my affiliate marketing link in the description below, so feel free to check it out for some extra cash. Guys, I do hope you found value in this video. So then please do go ahead, like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. And thanks for watching. Have a fantastic day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.